Tenzin Lhamo Bhutia, a Tibetan girl from Kalimpong, has secured 97.25% in her ISC Indian School Certificate Class 12 examination. This exceptional result makes her the topper in Kalimpong district from among more than 20 schools. Besides, she also secured 100% marks in political science. To recognize this achievement, I caught up with Tenzin Lhamo to find out what she has to say about her achievement. Tenzin Lhamo. First of all, a big congratulations to you for the very good result in ISC's exam, and also for the fact that you have topped in your district that has somewhere around 20 schools. How do you feel about this achievement?
I feel very happy and elated. I'm satisfied that my hard work had paid off in the end.
So Tenzin Lhamo, you have worked really hard to achieve this big achievement. How did you study, and how did your friends, your families, and your teachers support in your studies? Whom do you want to attribute your success to?
Well, preparation for my exams began since the very day our session started. Every day when the teachers are teaching, you gotta pay attention and then try to grasp whatever the teacher is teaching in the class itself, so that you don't have to go back home and do mug it up for like 4 or 5 hours. Like, honestly saying, I don't study every day, but I understand it. Like, I read a passage and I'll try to understand it like as if I'm reading a storybook, and that's how I am able to remember it properly. And also, a tip for memorizing, you can, a long passage, you can like make mnemonics out of it and learn it. And yeah, I would like to thank my teachers and my friends and my parents for encouraging me and motivating me. They've always known that, they've always had hopes that I would have done well in my ISC. And yeah, my mom, she's never pressurized me to study. She's always like, courage, Inachi, like you know best. So yeah, I would like to specially thank her, and obviously to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. He's an inspiration for everyone, all of us Tibetans and even non-Buddhist people. Yeah.
Right. So Tenzin Lhamo, yesterday you must have heard Sikyong Dr. Lobsang Sengye speak at a press conference. He mentioned your name, he congratulated you, and he even said that you're eligible if you want to apply for Sikyong Appreciation Certificate and Sikyong Scholarship. Have you contacted Department of Education of Central Tibetan Administration? How do you feel about this?
Yeah, I feel first of all very honored that the Prime Minister himself, he'd mentioned the word Mixe student, means like precious student. So I feel very proud about my achievement. And I haven't contacted the department yet, but I would be doing it very soon.
Right. And although there has been a lot of concerns, a lot of restrictions, and a lot of problems for students, especially across the country as they were preparing for the examination due to the COVID-19 pandemic, did this pandemic affect in your studies in any particular way?
So initially, I didn't have any problem with this pandemic because I wasn't taking any coachings or tuitions as such. I was like studying at home, and then I live in the school hostel, so I was inside my hostel. But then towards the end, in my last two examinations, it was cancelled due to the COVID-19. So we had to make do with our pre-board marks. So yeah, I had some problem because I thought I would have done better, but I'm satisfied.
What are your future plans?
Oh, I have decided to pursue law as a career. So right now I've already applied for the CLAT examinations, Common Law Admission Test, and for now it'll be held somewhere around the end of August, but I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it's going to get postponed due to the pandemic. So yeah, I will be pursuing BA LLB in one of the national universities in India. And further on, I guess I will sit for my judiciary exams and hope to become a judicial officer in the future.
I'd like to see you doing that. And Tenzin Lhamo, my last question to you. So you are an inspiration now. You are among the few and upcoming young Tibetans whom many of the younger generations will look up to and seek advice. What would you like to say to them? How would you want them to prepare for their examinations, to plan for their future and move ahead?
First of all, I would tell them all to have self-belief, because if you don't believe in yourself, then you shouldn't expect others to believe in yourself. And also, you shouldn't overstress. Like, we hear cases about people, students who are afraid of their results or afraid to fail, so they end up suiciding and all that. So I want everyone to, like, yeah, work hard, work smart, but also live life. Like, it's not only about textbook learning and mugging up. So you can also take material from the internet and learn reading newspapers, reading books and journals about the everyday happenings of the world. And I would also like to tell the parents, like, not to give a lot of pressure on the students to perform well. Like, it's not the end of the world. No one is going to remember your class 12 or class 10 board exam results. And yeah, because everyone's brain is not the same. So someone might be very good at academics, but they may be very bad at some other things. Like, someone might be good at singing and someone might be very good at art and dramatics, but they would be very poor in academics. But in India, the system is like that, that if you don't get high marks, then they consider you as a big failure. So yeah, this is an urge to the parents.
Thank you very much for agreeing to do this interview with us, Tenzin Lhamo. Many, many congratulations and good luck for all your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.